Okay, well, remember what I said about how I swapped the Lawn Boy's engine on another deck? Well, this mower right here is the one I swapped it on. It is a 1996 Craftsman Lawn mower. It originally had a Tecumseh motor on it, and I didn't really want to fix it. That was actually a I was gonna swap another mower's motor onto it because it had the same problem that the Lawn Boy had, but I couldn't get the blade bolt out. I am going to eventually get another mower to put that motor on, but that won't be until like March or April because I want to get this one out of here before I uh, before I get to doing that because I don't want too many mowers in my shed. However, I didn't have to do any work to the engine. And here's something even more kind of exciting. I won't need to unplug the spark plug because this isn't going to involve rotating the blade. But what happened is that the pulley from the Lawn Boy lined up very ideally with the belt. So the self-propel does engage with that pulley on it. And this motor even runs really, really good. Or really, really well, I should say. So let me go ahead and start it. It hasn't been started in maybe close to a week, so it may be kind of difficult. Put that much gas in there. Let me check it. There is gas in there. I don't know. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, the spark plug's connected. Well, I'm going to try and start it off camera and I'll click back in once I have it running. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it started, but I will. Hopefully it's just that it's been sitting for a while. I hope it's that because, I don't know. I may have to clean the carburetor out. But I hope it's something very easy, because I once tried to remove a Kohler carburetor and it didn't. It was kind of just too difficult for me to want to do it. It could be that I had it on its side or something. I don't know, because I did flip it over for you guys, as you guys had seen. But I don't know. Hopefully it still runs, it's just that it's been sitting for a while. Okay, that's pretty much all I have to say. And I'll see you. Bye.